is already existing, it has been built. So the main purpose of this video is for you to be able to know the setbacks for every building. Every building is supposed to have setbacks from the boundary of the plot. So if you can see this very plot, the shape of the plot boundary is not square. Although most land is not always square, but this one is very obvious that the is not square at all, especially this very point, from this point to this point. So these are the beacon blocks. There's a beacon block here. At this point there's a beacon block. Then at this very point also there's a beacon block. Then here there's also a beacon block. So this very building, either proposed or existing, cannot be on the boundary. Cannot just go ahead and build on the boundary. Let's say, for example, this proposed building is extended to this place. No, it is very, very wrong. There should be setbacks for every building. So this is a proposed or existing building. Now for the space, as for the side of the road, this is the existing road. It's called existing road because the road has not been named, so it's called existing road. I mean, there is a name, the name of the road that have appeared here. Now that's not our business. The name of the road is not our business. Now let me explain this part. So at the roadside, which is now the front of the plot, because this very plot is facing this road, the setbacks here is 15 feet. The reason why I decided to dimension this point, that the proposed building or existing building points this way, you dimension this way and you also dimension this way. But before you know the measurement, start drawing your site plan to then know the measurement for the setbacks, you should be able to work with, go to the town planning office in your state or your community to know the various setbacks for a residential building and also for commercial building. So for this very one I'm explaining is for residential building. I already know the measurement that is accepted in my state. For this very one, the state I am is Edo State. Now the setbacks from the front of the building, that you are not going to just build to the road. The space that is given, which is the setbacks, is 15 feet. So from this place